Check. Check 1 2 1 2. Yeah, the KGD music. They say it's broken, they say it's slang, but this is the rhythm of the street, the language of the gang, yo. 2026, let's break it down. Tok Pisin know that grammar belong, and that's what they say, but we're vibing in our own style every single day. It's not English, it's not Motu, it's a brand new flow, and power belong you, me, everywhere we go. No complicated rules to hold us back or make us slow. Tok Pisin ran strong, man, you already know. Up in the morning, catch a PNV to town. The sounds of the islands, you can never keep them down. Some people act stale and they wanna talk refined, but me, no worry, leave that English logic far behind. You talk about your verbs and your subject-object rules, but Tok Pisin is the master, making all the others fools. Supposed me talk me gold, and you know that I'm away. Simple, clean and heavy, that's the Papua New Guinea way. Tok Pisin all get grammar belong, and that's what they say, but we're vibing in our own style every single day. It's not English, it's not Motu, it's a brand new flow, and power belong you, me, everywhere we go. No complicated rules to hold us back or make us slow. Tok Pisin ran strong, man, you already know. Belong and long, the only keys you really need. Planting the communication, sowing every seed, from the mountains of the highlands to the man sea so blue. This language is the glue that is sticking me to you. You say it's got no structure, well look at how we move. We're mixing up the cultures just to find a better groove. English is for textbooks, but Pisin is for the soul, and that bilang all people, and it's taking full control. Listen to the beat, listen to the way we talk, from the way we sing to the way we walk. It's a melting pot of words, it's a cocoa in the pot, taking what we need and giving everything we got. Maski long or low, maski long or buck, just listen to the sound and give the world a look.